What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 apps not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open Play Store and then on top right corner you can see the account option. Now click on your account and then click on manage apps and device. Now click on updates. Now here you can update your app. After updates your app, then go back to your home screen and clear the cache memory of your apps. After that, open settings and scroll down and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on general management and then click on reset. In last you can see the option factory data reset. Now click on factory data reset and then again click on reset. After the factory data reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.